There are 5 keys to weighing yourself accurately, and there's one thing you should do with that weight number that will almost guarantee you hold your weight where you want it. Let's go over all that right now. Key number 1, weigh yourself on the same day each week. The reason why is because your weight fluctuates by several pounds within and between days. 1 day per week will even that out. Second key, weigh yourself at the same time on that day each week, or around the same time. That'll help to even out where your body is on that day. Same day, same time. Third key, weigh yourself in the same state of body as far as having used the restroom or not. Either weigh yourself after you've used the restroom or weigh yourself when you haven't used the restroom. Choose one of the two. Weigh yourself in the same clothes. I recommend you weigh yourself wearing your birthday suit. Weigh yourself with no clothes. That's the way you don't have to worry about it. Same day, same time, same state of body as far as having used the restroom or not. Same state of dress, that is clothes or no clothes. And then lastly, key number 5, use the same scale. Don't weigh yourself on one scale at home, then the next week weigh yourself on a scale at the gym. Weigh yourself on one scale every week. Let me show you something. 2 scales. 207.5. Another scale. Just gotta even out, step on. 209.2. 2 scales right beside each other, different weight. Don't let scales play tricks on you. Weigh yourself one scale. I suggest that you wake up on Saturday or Sunday morning about the same time, use the restroom, take all your clothes off, and use that same scale that you weigh yourself with every week. Last thing that you should do with that weight number that you get, and this will guarantee, or almost guarantee, that you keep your weight where you want it. Record your weight in a weight journal or a diary or something, or on your computer. Studies have shown that people who lose weight and that continue to weigh themselves regularly are much more likely to keep the weight off than people who don't. Record your weight every week and you will see a trend. That trend will tell you if your weight's remaining the same, or if it's going up, or if it's going down. Use these 5 keys. Record the weight. It will lead to your success in whatever you're trying to achieve with your body and with your weight, whether that be getting muscle, losing fat, or staying the same.